Hey guys, it's your girl Anila Marie Beauty. Ooh, look at the edges first of all. And today we're going to be doing a lip scrubs for anybody who has dry, chapped lips or just want to make a little more plump. This is for you, ma'am. This is for you. So first we're going to take a little plate, a little saucer, some brown sugar, or you can use any sugar you want. It doesn't, or even salt. You don't even have to use brown sugar. Some honey. Honey bear baby. And we're gonna go ahead and take your saucer, put some honey on there. I didn't put a lot. I just kind of winged it, but you don't need a lot because it's your lips. You know, you just need enough to make a little paste. You know, to rub onto your lips. And if you want to use the extra, I had extra left over, but we're gonna take a little bit of brown sugar. I just scooped a little bit and put it on my fingers. Then we're gonna throw it on a little saucer with the honey, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix it together, and it's gonna end up looking like this. Now we're gonna take a little bit on our fingers and go ahead and rub it into your lips for a good minute or two. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and rinse it all off with a nice little warm towel and try to get all of it off, because I left a little bit on me, but it's alright. Alright, now you're going to take your lip balm, or I use Vaseline for my lips, but whatever you want to use, like your lip balm, SPF lip balm or whatever, and you're going to put it on your lips so you can just moisturize a little bit, you know, make them look a little, you know what I'm saying? But go ahead and put that on, and then try to get the corners of your lips, because if you're like me and you have I have ashy corners in my lips, so just spread it all around and actually go a little bit above your lip and a little bit below. So now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it, you know, just to be extra, just to make it look popping, you know. You don't have to, but you could stop at the Vaseline part. But if you have lip gloss or any type of gloss or whatever, it helps make your lips look fuller and more alive. But yep, that's my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, my lips is popping. Game is not stopping, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys liked this video a lot. I hope it helped some of you guys with, you know, ashy, shy, dry, dehydrated lips like mine. But you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP223. And that's the end of this video.